Wednesday maybe, not sure. We'll figure it out as we go, okay? And in this little worksheet that you're going to be getting, it's called the Comprehension Check number 1. That's number 1, okay? And see, we got a nice little diagram here. I think it's of the water cycle, maybe? Yeah, the water cycle. We're going to be learning along with Mr. Brad. And basically, we're going to have this little passage. And we're going to have 5 questions and some colors involved. You've done these with Miss Maddie before. First off, what we're going to do, we're going to take our pencil and we're going to write our name and what today's date is. Alright, we got to get back in the groove of school things because school is closely approaching, hopefully. Okay, I'm going to write my name and today's date. Today is now July 1st. So let's go ahead and do a little start reading here. Brad's class is learning about the water cycle. First, they learn that the sun evaporates water from the oceans. The water condenses and forms clouds. Precipitation falls from the clouds in the form of rain or snow. The water from the rain or snow flows back to the ocean. Okay? So now that we've read the passage, we've got some information. So we need to move down to the questions. And probably a neat little trick you can do is to read the questions before you read the passage. That way you can kind of go ahead and have kind of like a mental answer already in preparation. But the first question says, what is Brad's class learning about? And in the very first sentence, it tells us Brad's class is learning about the water cycle. So that's what we're going to put for the answer for number 1, the water cycle. And then it's saying to use the color red, I suppose, to underline the answer. Make sure you color your crayon red. Brad's class is learning about the water cycle. Next, number 2. What is the first thing the class learns? Somebody have an answer? Let's see. The very next sentence. First, they learn that the sun evaporates water from the oceans. And that color, well, actually, I'm getting ahead of myself. What's the first thing the class learned? Sun evaporates water from the oceans. Easy way to answer some of these questions is to look for keywords. Like first, learn, that sort of thing. And then the color is orange. First, they learn that the sun evaporates water from the oceans. And then we gotta do a little coloring. On that crayon, we gotta look at nice and orange. Okay, how many of you guys out there know about the water cycle already? I'm sure some of you do. Next question, what happens to the water when it condenses? And if we keep reading along, we kind of notice a pattern that the answers follow one after the other, which sometimes you'll notice that, sometimes it won't be like that. The water condenses and forms clouds. So we can infer that the answer is forms clouds. And that one's asking for yellow, and I have my big yellow crayon. Let's go up here. Let's go ahead and underline that it forms clouds. Next, we need green, so let's keep it on handy. Next question, number 4, says, what are the 2 forms of precipitation? Okay, so if we go to the very next sentence, like the pattern that we've noticed, precipitation falls from the clouds in the form of rain or snow. So it's asking the 2 forms, and it gave us the 2 forms in rain or snow. So we're going to mark the form of rain or snow, and then we're going to color really quickly. Just go ahead and get it out of the way, or you can answer first, and then we're going to write down rain or snow. And then lastly, let's go ahead and have our blue crayon on hand, because that's what number 5 asks for. It says, what happens to the rain or snow water? Okay, and if we keep following along like we noticed in the pattern, the very next sentence says, the water from the rain or snow flows back to the ocean. Okay, so it's telling us that the rain or snow water, basically, as the cycle continues, it goes right back to the beginning, and it goes back to the ocean water. So let's go ahead and underline flows back to the ocean. Let's color our blue. And let's answer with flows back to the ocean. So now that we've done all that, let's just go ahead and let's have some fun, and let's go ahead and just color our little picture here. Okay? As you can see in the picture, we've got a little bit of a mountain. We've got some runoff water down into the ocean. We've got some rain, some clouds, evaporation, some trees. So let's go ahead and color that ocean or river, whichever one you want to call it. Let's go ahead and get it with our blue. But hey, if you want to color it green, that's fine too. Sometimes the lake looks green. Oh, and you can see kind of right there, there's a little bit of snow. Where's my green at? My trusty green. Bang, bang. Yeah, let's just leave it at that. Let's just, we can tell what's going on what. So I hope you guys like that little activity. And, don't forget to take a picture and leave it in the comments, or let us know if you liked it. I'll see you guys next time.